everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at www.southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1979 Dodge Little Red Express pickup. Love this thing, man. Neat truck. Of course, they're all canyon red. They all came. This is exactly the way they all came. It's got the original, but this truck is very original. It's most of the paint. This, I don't want to say it's all original paint. It's had some paint work on this truck, but as you walk around it, you know, like the wood slots, the wood bed, all that stuff is still original on the truck. My detail guy really thinks what they did is they have sanded and cleared this whole truck, and it's really neat. It's got a great look to it. It's still got a little patina look to it because it's so original. But man, you want to talk about a good truck. I mean, this thing is clean as can be. Good, solid, straight body, and it runs out awesome. They have done a little motor work to it. They've put a little different cam in it, different intake, upgraded it to MSD ignition, and the truck runs strong. And again, you can pick it. I think it's got 97,000 original miles on it, and most of the stuff on this truck's original. You can pick at it. I mean, it's got some flat paint on it. Like I say, it's not... Don't think it's a nut and bolt rotisserie restored truck. Original bumpers are on it. But the stuff is really nice, and I wouldn't do a thing to this truck. It runs and drives as sweet as can be. Just a cool truck, guys. Of course, they all had this, a factory stacked exhaust system on it. It's got Flowmaster mufflers. And again, all this stuff, this wood is all original for the truck. All this stuff in here, again, original. Bed in here is original. Cargo light works. About the only thing on it I couldn't get to work was the radio. But just a cool truck. So, if you understand what I mean, it's got a little bit of a patina look to it, but it's really just original. He thinks all this stuff, all the little striping and everything's original. They just cleared over it. And again, you can pick at it. I'm not trying to tell you that it's, you know, a freshly done truck or anything like that. You can pick at it, but man, is it cool. It, like the backup lights work. I mean, it's a great little truck. When you crawl underneath it, you can still see the original red paint on the floors and everything. They've got a new spare under there. The original jack still underneath the hood. Again, you can see some little marks and things like that as you walk around it. But, and it, like I say, my detail guy's name is Ed, and he really thinks what they did is they actually sanded this and re-cleared it to kind of get a shiny look on it. But again, look how they left the original decals and stuff on it. Factory front disc brakes. They all came with chrome slotted wheels. It's got Goodyear Eagles all the way around it. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, now these were 360 high performance engines. They've stepped it up a little bit. Edelbrock 4-barrel, Weiand aluminum intake, and it's got just a little bit of a step up on the camshaft. They all came with this dual snorkel fresh air cleaner on them. Stock exhaust manifolds. You can see it's got Mopar Performance valve covers. They have upgraded it to, they put aftermarket AC on it, and they've also upgraded the ignition. It's got an MSD digital 6AL box on it. I think I said power steering, power front disc brakes. The original jack is still in here. Cool truck, man. A lot of fun to drive. I drove it this morning. It drives great. Nice and tight. I gotta look this up, but somebody told me that these were actually the fastest production American vehicles in 78 and 79. That thing is rock solid, clean as can be. Yeah, somebody's just gonna have a blast with this thing. Again, they touched up around the doors. There's some little things you can really pick at, but it's nice, very nice. Door seams are clean. All this stuff in here is original. Now these are aftermarket speakers somebody's put in over the years, but it's got the original carpet. All your original door tags are still intact. Factory bucket seats with center console, Tuff wheel. It's got the original seat belts in it. Factory dash, yeah, 97075. All the gauges work. The only thing I couldn't get to come out was a radio, and then they put an aftermarket tack in it that wasn't working either. That's your AC. Even your little cargo light here works. Dash pad's nice. Get it as a Flowmaster H-pipe, or they called it a crossover in this year. Dual exhaust system with the factory stacks. Those are really cool. Factory rear axle, 355 sure grip. Just a neat truck, man. And as always, I'll put photos of the truck underneath online. Very clean. You can see it's got a new spare underneath there. You show up to the car shows in this thing, man, I guarantee you people are going to go crazy. And look how clean it is. I mean, that's all the original welds. Oh, have my guys check in at that little clip. Needs to be checked. Maybe kicked your air on in there, blows ice cold. Like I say, they have upgraded it, a little bit of a cam update. It surprised me when I hit it. Like I say, it runs good. '79 had the dual stacked headlights. I like that. Holds good oil pressure. You can see all your gauges work. Everything opens and closes nice. Get a little wrap. It's cool. I know the backup lights work, yeah. Talk about fun. Again, I couldn't get the radio to come on, and that tack was not working in there. But, wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. What a fun little truck right there. If a guy just wants something nice to drive with some air, you're gonna have a blast with this thing. I don't think Nathan's driven this thing yet. I think it'll surprise him.